Okay, welcome to Monachira in the Okavango Delta. Here is your room tour. All right, let's start with our lovely bed. It's a huge bed. This is a canvas tent. This is your sitting area outside. And from here you literally can see elephants, lions, and other wildlife walking by. Coming back around to this side is a large room. They have kind of gone with a Victorian, classic Victorian look. Here is everything for all of your, hang on, I gotta try and get this open. There we go. For all your connections, for your Wi-Fi. It's free Wi-Fi here, and these are all your electrical outlets for charging. Has a radio for safety. You can call it anytime when you want something, and they will bring it right to your room. The rooms are well spaced from one another. And complimentary robes. You have a safe yoga mat. If we have any people that do yoga, I literally can send you on such an amazing safari where you're doing yoga everywhere. Here's your coffee station, your drinks. You have ice here. Push down to lock. I guess you push up to open. Here's our ice. All right. And we come to our bathroom area. Again, we have his and her sinks. Hello, everybody. There I am. And we come around to this side, which is your toilet. And they have really good green initiatives here for using the water. Here's your indoor shower. Again, with a lovely view out. And then coming out here, I'm not going to open the zipper right now, but you have a huge outdoor shower out here. Basically, they recycle their water. They have are able to separate it, and the waste is waste, and then the water is then used for being able to keep things green around the lawns and everything around here. So there you go. There is your tour of Monachira. And I'll do some more room tours. They've got a honeymoon suite and they have a family suite that I will show you as well. This is considered the deluxe luxury